So guys, huge video, finally some good news. Now we know yesterday was crazy, Tristan said he had new charges. They could have got released on the 25th, however some big news has come out about the victims who have been BSing all this time. We literally saw it with our own eyes. Guys, if you do want to join the real world, we have a link in the description. Now Tate News said Dichotta Furious, the CCTV footage proving the Tate brothers' innocence was leaked to the whole world. Their false human trafficking allegations were debunked, so now they add new false charges. Desperate for a false conviction. Embarrassing. Now he's just tweeted saying, huge update, the Tate brothers' initial request was forward to the complaints the Tate brothers filed against the two victims who are misleading the judicial authorities back in April. If this request is approved, the investigation will be dropped. I was informed that this was a request to end the investigation, however it is very similar as the outcome of the request is basically the same. If the request is approved, the prosecution is dropped and the woman who falsely accused the Tates face jail time. And deservedly so. If the victims are caught lying, they deserve to face jail time. Guys, huge updates, so if you do want to keep in the loop, make sure you keep around on our channel. Please leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.